people. Today I want to talk about how to fix Ansifact point of sale in case of system repairs when it is not opening up or failing to launch because of network problems. It is sometimes possible for a point of sale to fail to launch because of some different reasons. So for you to launch a system, if it is not working, you just need to use this software known as backup. It is normally found in almost every desktop that is Ansifact software. So you click on backup. After you have clicked the backup icon, you come across a yes or no dialog. You have to choose yes. After that, you go where it is written repair system, like this. After we click the repair system, you can see the progress bar is moving. That's backup and restarting. Thank you so much.